Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Quickbase. What is it? What is it good for? And how can you use it to improve your business? Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank you for watching this video. I know there are a lot of great videos out there on YouTube, and I'm so grateful that you chose to watch mine. Now let's get back to the topic at hand. What is Quickbase? What is Quickbase? Quickbase is a low-code application development platform that allows you to create custom business applications without having to write any code. It's a powerful tool that can be used to automate a variety of tasks, from tracking customer data to managing inventory. What is Quickbase good for? Quickbase is good for a variety of businesses, but it is particularly well-suited for the following: small and medium-sized businesses, businesses that need to create custom applications, businesses that want to automate their processes, businesses that need to collaborate with team members. How can you use Quickbase to improve your business? There are many ways that you can use Quickbase to improve your business. Here are a few examples. Automate your processes. Quickbase can help you automate a variety of tasks, such as tracking customer data, managing inventory, and generating reports. This can save you time and money. Create custom applications. Quickbase allows you to create custom applications that meet your specific needs. This can help you to be more productive and efficient. Collaborate with team members. Quickbase makes it easy to collaborate with team members. You can share data and files with others, and you can also use Quickbase to create workflows that ensure that everyone is on the same page. Quickbase features. Quickbase has a number of features that make it a powerful tool for businesses. Here are a few of the most important features. Drag-and-drop interface. This makes it easy to create custom applications without having to write any code. No-code development. This means that you can create applications without having to hire a developer. A wide range of templates and apps. This makes it easy to get started with Quickbase. Powerful automation capabilities. This allows you to automate a variety of tasks. Robust security and compliance features. This ensures that your data is safe and secure. Quickbase pricing. Quickbase offers a variety of pricing plans to meet the needs of different businesses. The most basic plan starts at $30 per user per month. Quickbase alternatives. There are a number of Quickbase alternatives available. Some of the most popular alternatives include Microsoft Power Apps, AppSheet, FileMaker Pro. Quickbase is a powerful tool that can be used to improve a variety of businesses. It's a flexible and easy-to-use platform that can be used to automate tasks, create custom applications, and collaborate with team members. If you're looking for a way to improve your business, I highly recommend giving Quickbase a try. Thank you for watching.